We saw a critical gap in our traditional pharmacy education. Our students master the clinical science perfectly, but the modern healthcare landscape demands more. It demands entrepreneurship, leadership, and operational strategy.
That's how Launchpad program came into the picture. We wanted to pull students out of the textbook and immerse them directly into the commercial heartbeat of community pharmacy. To make this happen, we collaborated with Sunway Multicare Pharmacy, who shared our vision for the future.
Welcome to the RX Launchpad program, a collaboration with Sunway Multicare Pharmacy and Monash University, Malaysia. Here, the pharmacy students are given the opportunity to step out from the classroom and get into the community pharmacy practice. They get a hands-on experience, mentorship, and the chance to see the vital role of a pharmacy in our community. We are proud to support this program as it actually develops the future-ready pharmacists, and also it reflects the Sunway Group commitments to education, community well-being, and sustainable healthcare. Let's celebrate this journey together.
Launchpad changed my perspective entirely. My pharmacist mentor has shown me the business ecosystem. If the store floor isn't right, the customer will never reach the pharmacist.
I became a store strategist. I learned that managing stock and understanding procurement from HQ isn't just retail, it's the foundation that makes clinical care possible.
It's not just a shop, it's a neighborhood health center. I realized speaking in patient's language, for example, talking to an uncle in Cantonese, builds a bridge of trust. Professionalism is showing a genuine willingness to spend time with the patients no matter how busy the shop gets.
The biggest surprise was the power of the networking. Through this program, it exposed me to the people behind the supply chain and taught me how to communicate as a professional partner.
As mentors, we are thrilled by the students' fresh eyes. A student's perspective on store layout is important because it reminds us of what customer thinks. We are developing future pharmacist entrepreneurs.
RX Launchpad is more than just a job attachment.
It's a career catalyst.
Experience the reality.